and E. Do you get confused with these two sounds? Let's learn. This is E. Remember, egg, egg. The first sound in egg, E. Elephant, E. Elk, E. And this is E. Ink, E. The first sound in ink is E. Igloo, insect, E. Now let's read. Pet, pet. Eat, pit. Set, set. It, sit. Et, bet. It, bit. And stop teaching children A says A, B says B. From there this kind of confusion comes.